All right, so we're back with bite-sized guitar lesson number 3. So today we're actually going to get playing, all right? So today we're going to go over first the names of the strings, right? And if you watch that how to tune your guitar video, I'll link that at the bottom in the description of every one of these videos because it's a necessary thing to know, all right? There will also be names of the strings in there. But just so you're aware, you can follow the string to find what tuner you need to go to for it. So you'll see it's connected in the front. For example, the 6th string, this thickest string is string number 6. Right? We number them from the top to the bottom. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The thinnest string is 1. So the thickest string on the top and the thinnest string on the bottom are both named E. That's because the note, when you play it open, is E. They're just in different octaves. Here they're the same note. Okay? So 6th string and the 1st string are called E, the E strings. Now, the tuner for the 6th string is going to be the first one closest to you. This is on a guitar that has tuners on both sides. Some guitars have 6 in a row, right? Like an electric guitar usually. But even some acoustics like Fender does that. So we have the 6th string, the 5th string, the 4th string. When you come down to the bottom, the 3rd string, the 2nd string, and the 1st string, right? And again, if you ever get confused, you can follow the strings. Some things that can happen in the beginning is if you're trying to tune and you're tightening, you don't hear any change, and then the string pops because you're twisting the wrong one, all right? That's happened to me. So just be aware that you're twisting the correct one when you tune. Now, the 5th string, the string right under the thickest string, the 2nd thickest, is A, because play it open and it's an A note. After that, the 4th string, the 3rd thickest string, is D, because it's a D note, open. Then G is the 3rd string from the bottom. So from the top, 6, 5, 4, 3, G. Then B is the 2nd string. And the highest string we already know is E. Okay? So that's the names of the strings. From the top, the 6th string E, 5th string A, 4th string D, 3rd string G, 2nd string B, and 1st string E. That's the names of the strings. That's what you're going to tune them to. We'll get more into notes and some basic theory later, music theory. But for now, let's stick with that as enough. Those are the names of the strings because that's what they're played open. That's in standard tuning, which I'm tuned in here. And you're probably tuned in as well. Now, the strumming. Remember we talked about in the last video where you want to have your arm so that your hand falls over the hole. Okay? So everyone plays different. Remember, Johnny Cash has his hand like back here, right? So find what feels right for you, but I suggest starting out trying to go over the hole, and that's the way we're going to strum, okay? So we're going to play open, and we're just going to practice strumming. So just downstrokes. That's all I want you to do. That's today's lesson. So just practice strumming down. And you can do it very slow. Make sure you get each note. So some things that I see happen commonly is that we skip the first couple of strings and people just go like this. And they're not hitting these top strings. And then also on the bottom, if they hit the top strings but they don't hit the last string. Like that, okay? So we want to hit all the strings. And see how my hand is moving? See, my upper arm doesn't move at all. It's just from my wrist, my elbow, excuse me. From my elbow, see? Like that. You hold the pick loosely, but strongly enough that it won't fall out of your hand. You don't have to death grip it, okay? Fingers can stay relaxed or closed. You find what works for you. I like them relaxed and hanging open. Just from my elbow, just practice downstrokes. And just like that, that's going to be our lesson for today. Remember, don't rush through these lessons. Practice that. Actually sit down and practice that for 10 minutes or something. 5, 10 minutes. go through the names of the strings, memorize the names of the strings, practice tuning your guitar. The link to the video how to do that is in the description below. And also you can go through the tablature video there. I'll keep those in every lesson as well. All right? So that's today's lesson, the downstroke, the names of the strings. I'll see you in the next lesson.